Look outside right now. Look at this. 99 is what it feels like right now with the humidity in Vero Beach. We're still over 100 in West Palm, 101 there, also in Orlando. Tracking a couple of storms, a couple strong ones too, and that's why you're seeing the crawl at the bottom of your screen. Significant weather advisory till 4:30 for this cell right here, and you see a few more. Sebastian had one earlier, pretty big one that moved off, and now you're seeing a little bit more. But really, the main one here, just south of the Indian River Mall, that will move over the mall there and over into Vero Beach. 50-mile-per-hour winds possible in some isolated locations as this storm moves on through. A lot of lightning strikes. You see them here all concentrated, and also some heavy downpours with this too as it moves generally from south to north. It won't last terribly long here. It has cooled down the temperatures though in Fort Pierce now into the 80s. Hour-by-hour forecast, just a slight chance for a shower along the Treasure Coast for the next couple of hours. Then that chance goes away. Temperatures will stay warm and sultry through the evening and even overnight.